One. My name is Emmanuel Oladayo, but you can call me Bim. Um, so I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen just to give us a glimpse of what we've been working on in the mobile team, especially as regards the TechExpo Africa application. The TechExpo Africa application is more like a multifunctional application for the community, the Tech Expo Africa community. So it's more than just an application for the events, although it's going to show more about the event, but it will also show all the value exchange. It's also going to feature all the value exchange that the community has basically. So I'm just going to go ahead now and prototype, then show us what we have done. We have some of the volunteers here. We have Rosemary, yeah, she's our designer. She's also part of the mobile Tech Expo mobile team. Shout out to you, Rosemary. You can raise up your hand so that they can see you. She was the one who worked on the design basically. But we have also other members that are on the team that are not here in this volunteers meeting. Probably they got engaged, but we are working on developing the app together, both front end, mobile, and Flutter framework. We're using Flutter framework, both front end and back end. So yeah, let me just go ahead and share the screen. Explain what we have here. Can you all see my screen, please?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. All right.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Okay, so we have the authentication flow. Users can create accounts here, both our new users and volunteers and new members or people who find the app online. They can create accounts here. They can choose to log in with Google or log in with Apple. Then once they are done logging in, they get to see the home screen. On the home screen, they get to see our upcoming events. These all featured events. These are the main events that are upcoming, probably like the TEO conference 2025 will be here. Then other webinars, the TEO has webinars every month. So the webinars will be here for people to add to their calendar and get notified from time to time about, okay, this is an upcoming webinar. Don't forget to attend, and they get all the information about the webinar here, right? Then the jobs, TA plans to partner with job platforms that give job opportunities to Africans, and any type of job that we have to post, they will also be on the platform. So you can click on register now or click on the event. Sorry, this is just a prototype. I'm going to go to events now to show you what events is all about. So on events, you can see upcoming events, both webinars and major events that are upcoming, and then you can choose to register or you can add to calendar. Then you can see past events. So for past event, that's the contents are available online. Like most of our webinars, the videos are on YouTube. So we are going to be integrating YouTube uh we are going to be integrating YouTube on the app such that you can view those videos, or you can even go to YouTube to go and like and subscribe to the channel from the application. So let's say this is a major event. Clicking on the major events, you can get the details of the major events here. Okay, it's happening in Accra, Ghana. This is the date. This is the countdown to the event, the agenda. What do you expect to meet in the event? The sections that are upcoming, the speakers that will be speaking at the event, and possibly resources. If there are resources that you need to, you know, use for the event, they will also be there. Then we have forum. Forum is more like what's our current WhatsApp and Telegram groups are doing, or it's more for everybody to. It's going to be more like I don't know if you guys are aware, or if you are familiar with Nairaland forum. So the what we are trying to work towards is something like that, such that aside the general group that is more like the WhatsApp group, this is the general group. The forum, every other aspect of the forum will be based on topics. Anybody can, based on those that the admin have accepted, though, they can raise a topic and then everybody can get to discuss it. So we can discuss about AI here, we can discuss about any trending subjects in the tech system, right? So there might be different categories of discussion. So for the forum, technology, startups, and no, then you can start a new conversation, put your title, the contents of your post, and then post. And so a lot of people would get to comment on it. Then for jobs, you can see jobs that are available both on site and remote, and you can choose to apply for them from here. Or if we are syncing with any of those job platform, because we plan, if it is possible, we plan to also crawl jobs from other job platforms. So if it is possible to integrate some of their APIs properly, it will be easy for you to just apply for jobs here, just like LinkedIn interface, right? Then we hope that maybe someday later in the future, with more people coming on board the TEA community, we'll get other organizations reaching out to us to, post their job on our platform. But that's by the way. Then the blog is for people to see just the same blog that is on the website. Um, then you can see your profile where you get to see our sponsors. Our Aside your profile details, you can see the sponsors, the partners, and the team. You can switch from that mode or see our terms of service or logouts. So that's what we have for now. We are open to this is more like an MVP, right? Or I'll not say this all this prototype is the MVP. The MVP is the first version that will be out. But the idea is that if you have more ideas or things that you feel like we can work on, if it is possible right now, we'll tell, but you can always join the IT team and then we can brainstorm together. Thank you very much, everybody. In case you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Over to you.
Thank you very much, man. Thank you very much. This is great, great work that you guys have done. This is great work.